Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today, I'm going to talk about Tapbit. This is an exchange getting a lot of visibility because it really is a next generation exchange. I've seen so much positivity about this exchange, so I took an in-depth look at it because obviously I'm always looking out for high quality exchanges, but also ones that allow UK residents specifically to join because we're very restricted here in the UK due to the FCA regulation. So I'll come across Tapbit. This has got huge rankings on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and even Trustpilot. I'm sure you've heard of it. Excellent reviews. And naturally, I went in depth in this, and I've obviously joined the exchange. Now, instantly look at it. It's a lovely laid out exchange. It's very easy to use. Typical, nice to see the way it's laid out. We can buy crypto. Obviously, extremely important the fact you can buy crypto direct with your fiat. You don't have to buy elsewhere and send it. That's a number one rule of any exchange. So it's great to see that. Now, as you go through, you'll see what it's actually offering. Now, the finest crypto derivatives platform. Now, obviously, trading is a real massive part of the exchange, and that's something I'll probably do in another video. But moving forward with Tapbit, I just want to highlight some many areas of it, which will show, gives you a lot of reassurance, because obviously people have sort of got knocked a bit of confidence in exchanges. People say don't hold an exchange. Me personally, I've held on exchanges since I started in crypto in 2016. I've never had any issues. And also with exchange, you do get the added security when the exchanges offer insurance, which is obviously very important. Now, Tapbit offers actually guaranteed a 40 million tether insurance package, so it gives a lot of reassurance. Plus, they've got excellent proof of reserves, so you've got that complete reassurance. So when people say about cold wallets and hold it on your private keys, yeah, I'll do that as well, but also I've always held on exchanges. I say with exchanges being centralized, you've got your customer support and you've got that backup. I know some horrendous stories where people have lost their keys, lost their passwords, and they can't access their crypto. So you have to balance that and do your own research. But I do have a referral link below to support the channel. I do appreciate everyone who uses my link. It really does. It helps me grow the channel, and I really do appreciate that. So when you go through the actual exchange itself, you can see here, 24-hour trading volume is over 33 billion. Okay, this is highly ranked on CoinMarketCap. And I say the reviews from CoinGecko as well is absolutely incredible. So 700 plus cryptocurrencies listed. So naturally, I follow them on X, and they're always listing new projects, up and coming low cap gems. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, quite often with brand new projects, low cap gems, it's easier to buy on exchange. You get a better rate when you can do like a tether exchange than buying from, say, obviously Ethereum based network where you have paid horrendous fees like MetaMask. I wouldn't touch any Ethereum project on MetaMask because it's horrendous cost just to get it with the gas fee. So when you buy an exchange, absolutely fantastic. 190 plus countries supported, so naturally you can get in the UK, no problems whatsoever. Absolutely fantastic. So talks here as I go through the exchange, talks about their commitment to users, the confidence guarantee protection, again the new listings, the weekly market liquidity report. Now the market trends, you see all the different currencies they trade, all the traditional ones you see, but I say the low cap ones as well. Now copy trading. Now I've covered copy trading before. It's an excellent way to copy the experts, the real solid people. And you can see here, look at these what fantastic traders they've got here. Okay, now they're doing obviously incredibly well, especially in this volatile market. It's not easy to trade when it's like this because there's a lot of hype, but then we have a bit of a dump, and there's a lot of positive news hopefully coming out of crypto very soon. So the fact you actually do this on here and actually copy these expert traders is fantastic. So again, probably do that in another video. We actually follow a couple of copy traders. Then I'll start my own one up as well. And you can follow me if you want. So that's really good. But you've got the top three there. Okay, now this guy here, you can see there's a 7-day return there. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, again, do your own research. No guarantee with anything in this world, anything in life, let alone crypto itself. Okay, so do your own research. Now, talks there about the advantages, the Tapbit perpetual contract. Obviously, you've got that part, all the different low fees, and that's incredibly important. Now, this is obviously where they do a lot of their work with their trading. Okay, and that's really good. Now, protecting the assets. This is obviously imperative. Whenever I look in exchange, I want to see proof reserves and their extremely high security settings. And that's what they've got. As I said earlier, they've got provide a 40 million tether insurance fund to protect your digital assets and guarantee full reimbursement in a worst case scenario. They've never been hacked. This exchange been around since 2021, so it's fully established now. I say it's making huge strides. It's also got the regulatory licenses. Tapbit successfully obtained license in various jurisdictions, including the MSBs and FinCEN in the US. So again, the fact they want to embrace crypto with regulation again is absolutely fantastic. It's great to see. Now, again, they obviously download on the app. We also have all the services, 24-hour customer support, and that's good. Now, when you scroll down the bottom here, you can see all their social media links. I'm going to show some of them in a minute. Obviously, I'll follow them on X. Again, the constant news updates is really good to see. So I do like this, but it's the fact they list so many low-cap gems. That's good. Plus, obviously, your standard blue-chip ones as well. That's really good. Now, When you go through the dashboard, obviously, I say you've got your buy crypto, the third-party payment, you've got your market, your spot derivatives, they've got the perpetual, also got the perpetual demo, which is good to see. That's really important for some, especially getting involved with crypto for the first time, or just generally getting involved with trading. You can actually got a demo there. You've got the copy trading and the grid. Not all, very few exchanges actually offer the grid trading. That's where you can set some price targets sort of long term and just take some wonderful profits, hopefully. So again, that's a wonderful part. The earn section I'm going to show here now. You've got the welcome bonus. Obviously, every exchange join offers you a lovely little bonus, and they do that on here as well. So the Tapbit earn, come and join the best place to get passive earnings. Now, I always say now, especially in a bear market, you want your crypto to work for you. There's no point just sitting there doing nothing. Okay, and to be honest, we haven't had the full-on bull market yet, so it's still a wonderful opportunity to lock your crypto in and get some savings, get your earnings, make it work for you. You see there, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC. So if you've got some tether stuck there, you might as well just earn it 4%. Okay, it's all about building up your crypto portfolio. So again, that's really good. They've got this earn section. I really do like that, and they've also got some fix section, which they're going to progress as well. Okay, so again, many parts of this exchange that I like. Now, I say follow them on X, constantly on X with their updates, and they give it a market overview. Also, they talk about competitions where they're giving away tether. But also, what I like is when they announce new listings. This is really important to me because when a project new gets listed on some of these high-quality exchanges, you can see a lot of potential there because obviously it's gone through an audit and they like it. Okay, I do like them on X to say that they're fun parts in here, they're funny memes, etc., but also very serious about how the market's doing. I like this one literally a couple of days ago. Green days will come soon. Stay positive and back your crypto bags. Me personally, a lot of people have got a bit disillusioned with crypto because they're expecting the huge pumps by now. You have to stay patient. And me personally, again, never financial advice, this is a wonderful opportunity with these prices. It truly is at the moment. Who knows where these prices will be end of the year. I think it's a wonderful opportunity, I truly do. Again, talks about new listing, but also give airdrops. When a project leaks, some of them, they give an airdrop as well, just for being on it and embracing the new project. Okay, deposit to share, 500 GPS, another new project. Obviously, projects getting launched all the time, but they have to go through a set thing to actually get listed on exchange. Don't just list anything. So again, genuine use case projects is great to see. Just going through the X, you can see everything they do is absolutely fantastic. So I allude like that. Now, as I said before, one of the most important things now on any exchange, especially after working with FTX and other exchanges out there, is the proof of reserves. It's imperative now that projects do this. Okay, if an exchange doesn't do this, you've got to be very skeptical. So I'd be if I was you, if an exchange doesn't offer the proof of reserves proof out there, then I'd be very cautious about joining that exchange. So see, our mission is to build the finest crypto derivatives platform to ensure the safety and accessibility of your cryptocurrency assets for trading and withdrawing. Tapbit promises to maintain a one-to-one reserve of all user funds on our platform. Okay, now you can see there what they're offering, the proof of reserves, but most important, any exchange can write what they want. But when you get Hacken, which is probably the number one auditor out there, does a report on you, that is absolutely fantastic. There's no questions after that, let's be honest. So it's absolutely wonderful. And you can hit the link and you come there, the Proof of Reserves Audit Report. Who would have thought a few years ago we'd be so obsessed with Proof of Reserves, but who knew what was going behind the scenes at FTX, for example? Okay, now you scroll through, you've got everything to be there and everything you want to know. And again, I think it's absolutely important, okay? Now, this was literally done last October, so very recently. And the fact they're so proactive of being security conscious, I think I really do like that. Absolutely fantastic. Now, again, on their YouTube, it's really great to see. They offer everything you want to do. Introduction to Tapbit security management, how to use copy trade. So they've actually done some videos to help you along your way. Again, especially if you're new to crypto, it gives you that reassurance, okay? And it goes through every part about it, okay? You can see the introduction merely alone, but also about all the trading, the proof of reserves, etc. Okay, so again, absolutely good to see. Now, also when I looked on CoinMarketCap about this and their daily volume, you can see there, I think CoinMarketCap, you can see, are very bullish as well. It's not often they give such high praise for an exchange. It states there, Tapbit provides users with industry-leading technology, including the core aggregation engine that is the most advanced technology product of its kind. With the banking-grade SSL encryption, multiple signatures, as well as hot and cold wallet separation technologies, it proves this exchange can't be hacked. Okay, Tapbit is one of the safest and most reliable cryptocurrency service platforms currently within the market that global investors can use and benefit from without the need to worry about potential risks. Okay, and again, it talks about the platforms being awarded the MSB Fiat Currency Business License, the NFA General Financial License from the US federal government, and Crypto and Forex Business License by SVGFSA. Okay, so again, And once again, I mentioned they've got their $40 million insurance fund. So there's a lot of reassurance here and a wonderful exchange. Strongly suggest, if you're just getting into crypto, established crypto, especially all the low cap gems they list, you join this exchange. Please use my referral link. As I say, it does support the channel. So thanks very much. You want help as usual, just getting started with the exchange, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Come join us in a Telegram group, got my Facebook group. Just contact me through social media and help any way I can. I appreciate if you just get involved with crypto, it's a bit of a minefield to understand, but once you do it, and plus with this exchange, we're going to go back to the dashboard. It's very, very easy to sort of learn this stuff, okay, buy the crypto and do the spot on the market. But however, I'm happy to send some screenshots because I remember when I joined my first exchange in 2016, how difficult it was to get started and a bit of a, it took a while to understand it all, didn't it? But thanks very much. Have a wonderful weekend. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.